Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be playing Flood Escape 2. And before we do that, when people say that this is not fair, it is fair, but what else would you get for winning that much? I'll skip to when we actually get into a match. Okay, I am getting into a match. I am holding out my godlike trophy. Only godlike players have it. With Tiny Head Man. Wait. Okay, I hit that one. I was like, wait, what? Oh, darn it. Oh, damn, I'm bad. You do that, and then you wait for something to happen. Who are you waiting on? That woman? Slow woman. Slow woman. Women are slow. Actually, I think it's just my lag that makes them slow. Just go. Okay, and we did that. I have 22 wins. I literally have everything in the shop. Okay, let's go. What? Well, I'll get back to you when I get into another match. Okay, we are about to go in a game. It still says 15 because of my garbage lag. 2. Come on. It should be 1 already. Go. Bro. My only weakness is lag. Weakness? Lag. And bad map knowledge. Lag and bad map knowledge are my weaknesses. That is not good. You literally have a gravity coil gem, person. Why are you scared to fall in? You're gonna fall in because you're... Yep. I know this skip. It's... Come on, let me up. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. Okay. And our first win of the day, I think, is coming up. And there we go. There we go. Our wins are going up. At the end of the video, I will do a medium mode. Fudge. Fudge cakes. I think that was mine. I got that one. Easy dubs. Benaboo. Hey, Benaboo! Benaboo! Do you want to fight? Pew! Hello, Savage Pro. Are you dumb? I think he's dumb. I think he's just too dumb. Stupid, and he's also dumb. Got both of those. Now, because I can, I jump into here. Go, go! Okay, wait. Yeah? Wait, after this match, please. That was my mom asking me to do something. As always, I deny. I swear that's possible. I swear that's possible. Ooh, if I fell. If I fell. This is on. Oh, you need to go up here. Ooh. Come up here. You jump here. You jump. You skip that jump. You go. You do that. Then you come back. And then what everybody else says, you win. No, it's not that. It's not that. Okay, it's that. Well, let me go see what my mom wants. Okay, guys. I had a very nice food drinky drink. Food. Let's see what we can do now. Okay, let's go. Darn it, you already did that one. FBI, open up! How did 2 people already die on the first one? 3 people. Come on, dumb people. Not that hard, man. Come on, man, you can do it. I'll carry you. Oh yeah, you need to go up here. Wait, oh. It did this slow down effect as soon as I was about to do it. Get that. Come back here. And go back over here. I hope nobody else does die. Oh, well, jinxed it. Somebody else did die. I can do this on this one. Just skip an entire part. Lag. Okay, there we go. Now we're supposed to come up here. Do this. Do this. Oh, I was too slow, I think. Wait, no, I wasn't. Wait, why isn't the boost applying? Am I just supersonic? How did I actually do that? I am the last player. Epic. Come on, let me in. Hello. Okay, there we go. Now, because it's just me, this will be a tiny bit hard. Oh, and because of the lag. Oh, no. Wait. Let's go. Let me out. The water is right behind me, flowing. There we go, and another win. Hey, who want to let me in? Okay. Looks like I'm not getting in there. Well, see you when I can. I just want to note that the people in easy mode don't look like... I think they're too dumb to know how to do this. And they are going to lose because they're too dumb. That person will not be able to make it back, I don't think. Okay. They could barely make it past the first stage. Now they couldn't even do anything. They're so pro. Intermission. Yes, intermission. Intermission. The one person that's doing hard. What? She did it. She did hard on her own? Dang. And come up here. Oh yes, some pizza. Yummy. You like that noise? Come over here, do that. Go on top of this, jump up. Nope. Oh, the water rises fast in this one. I was about to say, if I failed that, I'd be dead. Oh, more pizza. Very yummy. Hey man, I hope you die because you did it too late. Oh, darn it. Okay, do that one. Then you gotta go down into this one. And then you go down even more into that one. Then there's that one that has already been opened. And we did it, I think. And let's go. I will eat some more pizzas. Victory. Yummy. Yeah. But let me get the bird. Just want to note that I have gotten the bird. Say something to the people. Yeah? Yeah? Well, a good birdie. Yeah, good. Okay, we are about to get into a new game. Let's go. Alright, birdie, when you want to get into a new game? Yes. Okay. I was lying back with my bird in my bed. Oh, gamer! Gamer moment. Oh. Yeah. Bro, that dude is going ham on the buttons. I made it in. Hey, birdie. And pizza as a reward. I just wanted my own bird's poo. Damn it. Won't stop me from being a gamer. Great, Taffy Taffy. What? Get noob. Yeah, what's wrong with my screen, first of all? I will troll all these people. I'll get back to you in a night. Okay. I come into here. I'd get that. I come up here and I do these. I remember the time that I failed this level because of this stage, because I didn't. One, because of this tower that I'm on. Two, because of that tiny hole under the ground. Oh yeah. As victory, I will celebrate by eating pizza.